Let's talk about a useful technique called unpacking arrays. So I'm going to declare an array of integers called values with 3 elements. Let's imagine that this array contains values for x, y, and z coordinates. So here we can add 3 values like 10, 20, and 30. Now let's say for some reason we need to grab these values and store them in separate variables. So one way is to declare 3 separate variables like x, y, and z and initialize them like this. So y and z. That is one way. But there is a shorter and more concise way. So let me comment out these lines. In C++, we refer to this technique as structured binding. I know it's a really weird name. I don't know who came up with that. In JavaScript, we call this destructuring. And in Python, we call this unpacking. This is the term that I prefer. Now, regardless of what we call this, all these techniques are about the same concept. So using this technique, we can unpack this array into 3 variables using a single line. Here's how it's going to work. First, we type the auto keyword, then braces. Now, inside the braces, we declare our variables. So x, y, and z. And then we set this to our array. As simple as that. So what we have on this line is identical to these lines. Now to verify this, let's print x followed by a comma, then y, one more comma, and z. Take a look. 10, 20, and 30. Beautiful. So this is what we call unpacking arrays.